Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make everything giftable on your Shopify store with Givy. It's an incredibly powerful Shopify app. We're going to jump right into it, and I'm going to teach you why you need to focus on gifting, and I'm going to show you how to do it the exact right way. And there's no doubt about it, gifting is a super important part of every single big e-commerce store. If you see any big, 6-figure, 7-figure, 8-figure, 9-figure store, they always have a focus on gifting, and it's very powerful, and it's more than just gift cards, right? I'm not just talking about gift cards, although that is one part of gifting. I'm talking about the ability to literally let customers gift any product on your store. I don't care if it's a physical product, a digital product, a subscription, right? The ability to gift that product, subscription, the service, the offering is incredibly powerful, right? And a really popular strategy for Shopify stores is to use the Givy Shopify app to easily set up gifting for any product on your store and, of course, gift cards, and do it super easily with one powerful app. I'm going to show you how this works. And there are definitely some pain points you might run into if you want to implement a gifting strategy in your store. First of all, the built-in way to do this with Shopify, way too basic, right? It's just not going to achieve the goals that you want in terms of increasing your revenue, increasing your conversion rate, increasing your average order value. You need to use an app. I'm going to show you the Givy app, and it's super easy to use and requires no prior technological skill whatsoever. But really, most importantly, you need to find an app, and I'm going to show you Givy, that allows for any product, any subscription, any membership, any gift card, all of them to be giftable. Full flexibility to allow the customer to choose literally anything that's sellable on the site. It can be a gift. And that's why you want to use Givy. That's why I highly recommend Givy. They're the only ones that are set up this way, and you're going to see just how easy it is to use this app. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder right now, and you can follow along step by step. You're looking at Givy, the gift cards and gifts app, and you see that built for Shopify badge and the perfect 5 out of 5 star review. It is one of the best apps in the App Store. Only a handful of apps get this built for Shopify badge. And with Givy, you'll literally be able to turn any product in your store into a gift. This is a must-have app for Q4, for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, for taking advantage of the gifting frenzy that happens during the holiday season. With Givy, you are allowing your customers to buy and send gift cards in any currency they want. They can purchase in fixed denominations in the currency of their choice. And also a huge part of the app, you're able to gift any product, even a subscription. So this is the only app that natively works with every subscription or membership app. So you want to have a really unique gift angle, gift a subscription or a membership this holiday season. That's super powerful. And it's something that you're not going to find in other apps. There's just one key feature here with the Givy app. When it comes to the customer experience here with Givy, the flow is amazing. Customers are going to be able to send multiple gifts to multiple recipients in one checkout. They don't need to know the recipient's delivery address or anything like that. They could literally just have an instant gift via email, and it's perfect for last-minute gifting. This is an absolute must-have for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. It's super simple to set up. It's fully customizable, so it matches your brand, and it will 100% increase your holiday sales this year. There's a full suite of admin tools and storefront APIs, making it possible for agencies and developers to create really custom flows and integrations with Givy. There's also integration with Klaviyo and OmniSend for all of the different notifications. There's just a ton that you could do with Givy, and you see the link directly below this video. All you need to do is press the install button. There's a free trial available as well. You can follow along step by step. I'm going to show you how you could literally turn any product into your store into a giftable, purchasable product, perfect for the holidays. And again, follow along step by step, the link directly below this video. Click the install button. It's going to bring you back into your Shopify store where we can finalize the installation. Inside of the store, you press the install button, and that's really all that you need to do when it comes to setting things up for Shopify. Literally does the installation for you. You don't need any other code or anything like that. Simply just accept and approve the terms here. You get that 14-day free trial, and you press approve, and it will be all set up. No code or anything like that, no hiring a programmer. We now have Givy installed, and there's a really easy setup wizard that we could walk through to make sure that we get everything configured exactly the right way. So all you need to do is press Start Wizard. So this will start the setup process. we're going to create our gift card product. And we could upload our own image, or we could select one of the pre-existing ones. I have a blue color scheme on my store, so I'm going to go ahead and select the blue one. We can now go over here and have a gift card. You can give a specific title if you want. We have a pre-built description. You could also edit this if you'd like. We now have our active status or inactive. We're going to go with active right now. I want to show this live in my store. You see some pre-made denominations. These are kind of the popular gifting amounts, 10, 25, 50, 100. You can go ahead and add in your own denomination as well. Really kind of just depends on your average order value, what kind of products you have. I mean, it would be great to sell a $500 gift card all day long, but maybe your customers typically spend between $25 and $50. Make sure you have those options in there as well. We also can allow the customer to add custom amounts. Maybe they want to give a specific number, or some type of number that means something to the recipient of the gift. They can do that over here. We could set minimums and maximums. Again, you could play around with this kind of depending on your own margins and your own catalog prices. So we've set up step one over here. It's kind of just configuring our title, description, denominations, and of course you could upload your image or choose one like I did. Now we have gifting options. And this is going to basically answer the question, are we going to allow customers to purchase gift cards and products as gifts for others? And of course, we want to enable these, and they're all turned on by default. What can they gift? Gift cards, yes, of course. Products, yes. Subscriptions, yes. And again, this is the only app where this is built in, where you could set gift subscriptions or memberships to someone for, again, coming up Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I mean, it makes a super, super perfect and unique gift. Allows your store to stand out because this is the only app that's going to allow you to do that. So again, this is being able to purchase for others. We can purchase gift cards for others, of course, right? Customers can send gift cards to others. Customers can purchase products and send them to others as gifts. Same thing with customers can purchase subscriptions and memberships and send them to others as gifts. If you wanted to disable one for some reason, I don't recommend it, but if you did want to, you have that option right there. Gifting options, that's all you need to do for step 2. So coming over next step over here, we're now going to enable the app, and it says congratulations. All you need to do is enable it on your theme. You've probably done this a million times with other apps, where we go into the theme panel and we simply enable the app. We're going to have our different notifications being sent, like critical emails. They'll get sent to your default store email, or you can customize the email over here. Again, we want to make sure that we go ahead and enable the app embed, and we'll be able to do that. I'll show you right over here. Enable app embed. It's going to open up our theme settings. This is exactly where we turn on apps. And you see it's going to bring us to the Givy page. This is off, and this is on. Okay, we want to make sure it's toggled on, and press save. Okay, that's literally the last step in our setup here. We now have Givy fully installed, and it's super, super powerful because now we get the magic of the app, and we don't have to do any more install. It's like a one-time setup here. So we have all these things here like support videos and setup videos. You can go ahead and watch these and kind of understand them, a little bit more deeply. But I'm going to show you again. We have that free trial running right now. You'll be able to get the full power of Givy before you even spend a single dollar. So you can see different gift cards that are active here or that have been used. Of course, we just installed this, so we don't see any data. But this is going to be where you track all gift cards and all gifts that were created, all purchases that were created for gifts. They'll all show up right over here. We have different storefront assets in terms of kind of matching our color scheme, and I really love how the app pulls your colors automatically. So we don't need to go over here and kind of customize everything. If you wanted to, of course, you can come over here and set the custom color for pretty much everything. But otherwise, I'm going to be matching my theme. We have our product page settings as well, kind of going through here and customizing everything that we want, like the gifting modal. You're going to see this is going to be the different kind of text and all that stuff that that the customer will see. And you have full control over literally every single word, every letter that's in this app. You could do different language translations as well. And we have custom amount modal. Really just depends on all the different options here. You want to go through here and customize things. You might want to change text. You might want to customize colors, all these different options. Gift card, you could even add custom CSS here if you wanted. Bottom line is Givy lets you customize literally everything. You see all these different options. On the emails page over here, this is going to be where you're able to customize all of the different emails. For example, gift card created, gifted gift cards, gifted merchandise, the email, the print delivery, link delivery, right? We literally have all the options here. And when you go over and click preview and edit, we get the full editor. So we can see what it's going to look like. And of course, kind of this is based on the different things that we've entered in. All the text here is, totally editable. Say, or you can put whatever you want here. All the text will come up and show up directly inside of the email when you save it. Really, really easy to do. So you want to put, have a visit store. You could say, check out the storefront, and we'll click save, and you'll see that the preview updates there. No code or anything required. Always super easy when using Givy. You don't need to have any prior experience at all. You could jump right in. Some more settings over here. These are our universal app settings over here, like different allowed gifting methods. We kind of set some of this stuff up as we were going through. Gift card gifting, again, the same things here. We had enabled these from the start. These are kind of the default options that you can fine tune. We have some built-in fraud protection as well, which is really cool. API access if you want to get really advanced. And then, of course, your different plan options over here. And you see that we're right now on the intro plan. You're going to get started on that with your trial. Then you'll be able to upgrade. Plenty of integrations as well. You see pretty much all the biggest names here in Shopify. You got Klaviyo, Omnisend, RecurPay, Utterbond. It's got even Bold and all their apps, right? Bold subscriptions is going to be probably the most popular subscription that you'll be working with. Integrate directly with those different apps and services so you can take your business to the next level. And really kind of cool. I'm going to go back over here into the dashboard, and you'll see your quick stats over here. But right over here, apart from your analytics, you'll be able to kind of do different actions here, like issuing a gift card, issuing multiple gift cards, issue gifted merchandise, or gift card products. And this is basically the manual form of literally creating a gift card for someone. You could do it on a single level, a multiple level. You could even do it with very specific products. And you can go over here and download this CSV template, make it super, super easy to track everything there. But I want to show you on the front end. I want to show you what the customer is going to see, because that's the important part of Givy, the front end experience for the customer. So let's switch views here, and now we'll pretend that we're going to be a customer on the store. So I'm going to click into any product here, and let's go with this one right over here. And as we scroll through, right, everything looks normal, and we go to the decision-making section, right, the add to cart section. You're going to notice a new button, and we have our send as gift. And first of all, again, built in directly, to my color scheme automatically. I love this part of the app. Don't have to do anything. Send as gift. So they could select, whatever they want. How about they pick the hoodie and they pick red, extra large. Okay, that's what they're getting for, for their brother for a gift, for example. Right? They want to pick out a Christmas gift. They could do it right through the app now. Send as gift. And you see the different options that we have here. How would you like to send your gift? Let's say you have a digital product. You could do email, you could do URL, you could even print it out so you can give it directly to the gift recipient. But if you're doing a shipped product, let's say you're doing a hoodie like this or any really type of apparel, you're able to ship now. And this is an option directly here inside of the pop-up, ship now, and you'll be able to enter in the customer's address. If you're buying multiple gifts, you could enter multiple addresses as well, right inside of the ship now area. So when you click here and click next step, we'll go over here and enter in the recipient's information, and then you'll be able to add the product into cart. Now you see it's added into the cart. We have, of course, the selections that we put in terms of hoodie and color and size, but we also have recipient. I put in the address of the recipient, of the person that's going to get this product gifted to them. So we're going to now check out. And of course, now as the gift giver, we just simply enter in our payment details. We'll have the shipping automatically set up as this gifted product is connected with the address that we set up in the flow. So all we need to do now, check out. And this is going to be good to go. The great part about this, it also works directly with print on demand. So all of your fulfillment will still remain automated. Same with drop shipping as well. Really big part of the app that I love. And the cool thing is you could do this with subscriptions as well. You see I have a hoodie on here, but you could very easily do this with, let's say, a t-shirt of the month box or a subscription or membership type thing where you can gift a subscription, create some really, really unique gifting opportunities for the holiday season. There's also a really cool and unique feature. I'm down over here in settings. Under gift cards, we're able to enable multi-currency gift cards. We're going to go ahead and check this box. Of course, we want to make sure that we save this. Multi-currency gift cards, super, super powerful. Givy is the only app that lets merchants specify fixed denominations in multiple currencies, and this allows you to keep the entire experience consistent for customers and recipients across different currencies and locations. And this allows you to create something like this. Let's come over here and let's say you were a Canadian user. You're going to see the gift cards in Canadian denominations. You'll be able to set all this up right in settings. Really, really unique and super powerful part of this app. So that was Givy, the gift cards and gift app. And again, this is a must-have for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and the holiday frenzy. You'll be able to make any product in your store giftable. It's super, super powerful, and it's super timely right now because you need to be preparing for Black Friday, for Cyber Monday, and it's really, really well worth it because stores can make a huge, huge percentage of their revenue just in a couple of months around the holiday. So if you have any questions about Givy, please don't hesitate. Leave a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. But otherwise, I hope Givy helps you have a massive holiday season worth of sales, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.